Karebap, nandito tayo ngayon sa Calasiao, Pangasinan. At i-cover natin ang event ng Guanzon Festival. At kasama ko ang aking isang ka-riding in tandem, si BM Rider, Mr. Butch. So BM.
Hello mga Karebap. Magsasama-sama tayo, 3 araw na event dito sa Calasiao Robinsons, ang ating pong Guanzon Festival.
So, partner, pangilang event na ba nila to?
Actually, this is their 4th festival. Ika-4 na taon dun sa kanilang 73 years ng pagbibigay serbisyo sa ating kapwa Pilipino at mga taga-Pangasinan.
So ano magiging kick-off nitong event na to? Anong mangyayari?
Today, we will be having a motorcade. Magkakaroon tayong motorcade wherein may mga invited bikers who will be joining us. Aside from the Guanzon bikers, there will be the Federation, yung Pangasinan Federation Riders. Nandito rin sila to join us para sa kick-off, which is the motorcade.
So mga ilang grupo kaya yung darating?
Actually, we're looking at something like 30 to 40 groups, clubs, actually biker clubs, so na magsasama dito sa ating motorcade.
Tapos ano pa yung mga highlights ng magiging event ng Guanzon Festival?
Well, actually, ma'am, sa opening, meron tayong presentation ng kanilang audio-visual presentation ng kanilang history.
Okay.
And of course, after that, there will be games, mga raffles, which will be sponsored by yung 4 na ating manufacturers, no? Leading brand manufacturers ng motor like Honda, Kawasaki, Yamaha, and Suzuki. And then afterwards, there will be second day, more of games again, pero meron mga shows. Meron tayong Miss Babes, no? Ng ating Guanzon Babes. And then we also have the search for the Kawasaki Princess. Yan. At meron din tayo mga invited na mga artista katulad ni Kim Domingo, Andrea Torres, and of course, second night, we have Parokya ni Edgar. And then on the third night, andito po yung JBK Boy Band. Ayan, kasama si Andrea Torres.
Okay.
Ayan.
So mga Karebap, abangan nyo po ang aming coverage dito po sa Rebap.
Thank you. First and foremost, I would like to give respect to Sir Joseph Long and Sir Luan and to their families, to all the guests, to the Guanzon group, to all the riders, to everyone here present today. A blessed morning. I would just like to congratulate again Guanzon Group of Companies for celebrating yet another year of their annual Guanzon Festival. In behalf of the local government of Calasiao, we thank you for always considering and celebrating your annual festival here in our beloved town of Calasiao. And to the Guanzon family, to the Long family, we thank you for your investment that you have done here in our beloved town, making our dream of Calasiao being one of the premier municipalities almost a reality. So again, to everyone, we congratulate you. We thank you. Again, in behalf of the townspeople of Calasiao, we thank the Guanzon family. And again, a blessed morning to everyone.
I think you forgot to acknowledge one person and several persons pala. And one is the representative of Mayor Bauzon, Mark Canspiña, Executive Secretary of the Mayor of Calasiao. Pala, nandito tayo sa Calasiao. To all our business partners, the motorcycle industry, the mobile phone industry, and the car industry, magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. Magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. First of all, thank you for gracing this occasion, this annual occasion. Now we call it annual occasion because several people has been waiting for this event every January. It seems like we just had this event like several weeks ago, but yet here we are again celebrating the Guangzhou Festival. Time goes by so fast. Mabilis talaga.